Alright, g'day trendsetters. Here I am in front of my magnificent mandarin tree. It's put on a lovely spurt of spring growth. I've fertilised it with a bag of hoo-flung dung and it's really responded. But the question I have is, how much do I water it? It's kind of quite simple. For optimal growth of citrus in the backyard, it might be different in a commercial setting, they need about 25 millimetres a week of rain. Now, where I am here right now, we're in severe drought, severe water restrictions, so all I've got is a hose. And basically I need to work out how long I need to stand here with the hose watering this tree. And it's not that hard. So 25 millimetres of over the whole area. So per square metre, to get 1 millimetre of rain, you need 1 litre. So every square metre underneath this tree, which is about 5 metres, I need 25 litres of water out of the hose. So it's about 125 litres a week for this tree. Maybe a bit more if the summer's really hot and really dry, which it's looking like it will. So how do we work it out? Well, we need a hose, a bucket, whose quantity we know, which is, this one is 10 litres, and a timing device, which is a good old iPhone, and a stopwatch. You turn both on at the same time and time how long it takes your hose to fill up the bucket of water. So let's go on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go, 30 seconds for 10 litres of water. So every minute I get 20 litres of water. I need 125, so that's 2 6 is 120, so that's as close as I'm going to get. So I need to stand here with my hose, my phone again, and this time I set the timer to 6 minutes, hit the start button, and I get to ponder the universe for 6 minutes, or what I'm going to plant next, or how much I'm going to enjoy the mandarins when they come. It is a great help to me if you would consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. And maybe one day it'll rain and I won't have to stand here for 6 minutes once a week watering my mandarin tree. But until then, I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers, thanks for watching.